This night would end with a crashed car, someone leaving the scene of an accident, and the police. But I'll get into all that later. For now, we're here in Olympic National Park. We had first visited this park back in 2021, but there's a lot that we wanted to do that we didn't get to do then. This is the Hall of Mosses Trail in the Hoh Rainforest. This is a very easy trail, only about a mile long in total and really no elevation gain at all. This trail in the Hoh Rainforest has giant old growth trees all covered in moss. A truly magical place.
Angela got a splinter in her finger. She's just over there just picking at it, picking at it, picking at it, picking at it, picking at it.
It's right there. It's all not there.
So we've come here to the Hoh Rainforest. Not one hoe.
That's why the entrance fee was so cheap.
Yep, I still have the sense of humor of a 12-year-old boy, and clearly my daughter gets it from me. And here we have Angela, always one to keep us entertained on the trail. After our hike, we came across a huge herd of elk and sat here and watched them for a while. No hoes.
No,
We ended up making our way over to Forks to see if we could find any sparkly vampires. We arrived to La Push Beach just in time for the sunset. There were no vampires here either. The Cullens don't come here. Blackberry picking at La Push Beach. We had dinner and started our way back to the campground. Just 2 cars ahead of us on the highway, the car lost control and flipped over and slid on its roof down the road. The occupants got out and one of them was clearly hurt. It was obvious they had been drinking and they just walked off.
So this is what we've come up on tonight. Car flipped over in the middle of the road, and the driver and passenger just walked off. See where they went off right here, and they just skidded on their top all the way.
Another driver and I directed traffic until the police could get there. We left the next day and arrived down to a very smoky Northern California. Please join us on our next video as we explore the giant redwoods of Northern California.